Have you ever wondered why you do certain things the way you do? Why do some people have certain habits or fears they cannot explain? And why do some families have similar behaviors for generations? Today we will explore how our ancestors' emotions, experiences, and habits can be passed down to us. We all know that we get our hair color and height and eye color from our parents. But did you know that our genes can affect our very behavior? Some scientists have found things like stress, anxiety, and even addiction can be passed down through our ancestors. Studies have shown that twins raised in different environments end up having similar habits over the time. This means if your parents or grandparents have anxiety, you might be more likely to feel anxious too. But genes don't tell the whole story. Our environment and experiences can change how genes work, which is called epigenetics. Holocaust Survivor Study in 2016 explains children of survivors have higher stress risk, as well as Dutch famine study in 2008. Kids from people who have suffered the famine tend to have higher risk of obesity. So if your grandparents or parents lived through war or a famine, their bodies may have changed to survive, and those changes might have been passed down to you. We also inherit by copying our parents and environment around us, which is called social conditioning. For example, if your parents have saved money carefully, you might do the same as well. And this happened without even realizing it. If they were always anxious, you might end up growing anxious too. Scientists found that our brain has something called mirror neurons, which help us copy actions, habits, and even emotions from people around us. And the good news is, even if you have inherited habits, you can change them. You might be wondering how to break that cycle, so you can start with mindfulness, noticing habits and then changing them with practice. You don't have to sit in particular posture or anything, but carefully watch your each and every habit throughout your day and notice why those certain habits tend to come over a certain period of time or in certain situations only. Healthy lifestyle can lead to good sleep, exercise, and food can improve your genes over time. Depend upon what you eat over the day and what time you are eating and how much you are eating. With these small steps, you can control and change your future. Your past might shape you, but it doesn't have to define you. Have you ever noticed a habit in yourself that seemed to come from your parents or grandparents? Maybe a fear, a skill, or a way of thinking? Let me know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this topic interesting, and let's explore more amazing topics together.